management and handling hazardous waste. The main emphasis of a national water policy is to treat water as an economic good. It seeks to ensure a minimum quality of potable water. Minimum quality of potable water for essential health and hygiene for all citizens. 6. It seeks to support a national water framework law. It seeks to set up a water regulatory authority. It talks to keeping aside a portion of river flow to meet the ecological needs. It gives statutory powers to water users association to maintain the distribution system. Users association. National Water Framework Law. It seeks to set up a water regulatory authority. Talks to keeping aside a portion of river flow to meet the ecological needs. National Ganga River Basin Authority has been set up for pollution control and management of the river. River Basin Authority. A single agency is important because it has to work across cities, state, the multiple sectors. A new approach is based on basin level and is not town centric. Basin level. Actually, urban and rural area. The National Ganga River Basin Authority has been set up for pollution control and management rivers. Because it has to work across cities, states, multiple sectors. No, not town and centric. This comprehensive multi-sectional approach program also invest hazardous waste management and handling rules of the Ministry of Environment and Forest. Handling rules of the Ministry of Environment and Forest and the relevant legal provision in this regard. It mandates the occupier generating hazardous waste to take steps to properly handle and dispose such waste. The facilities for collecting, treating and storing hazardous waste. The State Pollution Control Board have the power to cancel such authorization. It also mandates proper labeling and packaging of the waste during the storage and transport. Import of hazardous waste is not permitted for dumping and disposal in India. Hazardous waste not permitted. Dumping and disposal. The facilities for collecting, trading hazardous waste have to be authorized for Forest and the relevant legal provision in this regard. It mandates the occupiers generating hazardous waste to take steps to properly handle and dispose. At least 3 common examples where permaculture concept being put students. EPG आज बनने से कुछ नहीं कर सकते स्टूडेंट्स चुनाव लड़ो 7 लाख सरपंच 40,000 जिला परिषद 4,000 MLA 1,000 चुनाव लड़ने से ज़्यादा नौकरियाँ नहीं पार्लियामेंट चलो पार्लियामेंट जाओ पार्लियामेंट में बैठो स्टूडेंट्स तो काला धन आएगा किसी के भरोसा मत करो इंडिपेंडेंट चुनाव लड़ो पर्माकल्चर इज ए branch of ecological engineering environmental design which develops sustainable architecture self-maintained agriculture systems modeled from natural ecosystems. Simply it can be defined as the development of agriculture ecosystems intended to be sustainable and self-sufficient. Agriculture ecosystems, Krishi, take care of earth, provision for all life systems to continue and multiply. This is the first principle because without a healthy earth, man cannot flourish. Provision for all life systems to continue and multiply. Take care of people, provision for the people to access the resource necessary for their existence. Share the surplus. Healthy natural system use outputs. Healthy natural systems use output from each element to nourish. Healthy natural systems use output from each element to nourish others. We human can do same by governing our own needs. We can set resources aside to further above principles. The permaculture way madam. Then many farmers started experimenting with this methodology. This is one of the best practices for Kerala with the topographical peculiarities and high rainfall so as to conserve soil and water and improve productivity. Aranya has developed permaculture farms. Jharsangam Mandal, Medak district, Andhra Pradesh with co-friendly methods. Laws of nature. Permaculture. Take care of the earth, take care of the people, share the surplus. Permaculture food, soil, shelter, water, climate, ethics, energy. Permaculture. Ecological designs. Engineering, environmental design, which develops sustainable architecture and self-maintained agriculture. Output from each element of nourish others. So use outputs each element to nourish others. We human can do same by governing our own needs. We can set resources aside the further. Permaculture way had its impact Kerala too, and since then many farmers have started experimenting with this methodology. This is one of the best practices for Kerala with its topographic peculiarities, high rainfall so as to conserve soil and water, improve productivity of their farms.